Good day, friends. This is Homeschooling Channel, Standard 10th Social Science, Geography, Unit 4, India Resources and Industries. This video talks about the energy resources. What is energy resources? The resources from which the electricity is generated are called energy resources. Electricity is an important component of our life. No day-to-day activity takes without the use of this energy. It is also the key factor for all economic activities and industrial development. It can be classified into renewable and non-renewable. The non-renewable energy resources, coal. Coal is an inflammable organic substance composed mainly of hydrocarbons. It is available in the form of sedimentary rocks. It is used in the production of thermal power. It has close association with the industrial development of any country. Since it is valuable one, it is called as black gold. Based on carbon content, it is classified into the following types: anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. Coal can be converted into gas, oil, electricity and thermal power. Besides, it forms a basic raw material for the production of chemicals, hair dyes, fertilizers, paints, synthetic and explosives. Indian coal is mostly associated with Gondwana series of rocks found in peninsular India. The states of Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh alone account for nearly 90% of coal reserves of the country. Jharkhand is the largest coal producing state in the country, followed by Odisha. Coal India Limited is an Indian state-controlled coal mining company headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal. Petroleum or crude oil. The word petroleum has been derived from the Latin words petro, which means rock, and oleum, which means oil. Thus, petroleum is the oil obtained from rocks of the earth. Therefore, it is also called mineral oil. It is an inflammable liquid that is composed of hydrocarbons, which constitute 90 to 95% of the petroleum, and the remaining is chiefly organic components containing oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and traces organ metallic components. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas is responsible for the exploration, production, refining, distribution, marketing, import, export and conservation of petroleum, natural gas and petroleum products. In India, petroleum is used as a source of power and fuel for automobiles, aeroplanes, ships and locomotives. Lubricants, kerosene, Vaseline, tar, soap and wax or its byproducts. Oil in India is obtained from onshore and offshore areas. Natural gas. Natural gas usually accompanies the petroleum accumulations. It is naturally occurring hydrocarbon gas mixture consisting primarily of methane, but commonly includes varying amounts of other higher alkanes. It is formed when layers of decomposed plants and animals are exposed to intense heat and pressure over thousands of years. It is used as a source of energy for heating, cooking and electricity generation. It is also used as fuel for vehicles and as a chemical feedstock in the manufacture of plastics and other commercially important organic chemicals. The Gas Authority of India Limited, that is GAIL, is the largest state-owned natural gas processing and distribution company in India. It is headquartered in New Delhi. The highest concentration of natural gas is found in the Mumbai High and Basin oil fields. Compressed natural gas, methane stored at high pressure, is a fuel which can be used in place of gasoline, diesel fuel, and propane LPG. Conventional energy sources, thermal power. Thermal power is generated using fossil fuels like coal, diesel, petroleum, and natural gas. National Thermal Power Corporation was established in the year 1975. Neyveli, Mettur, Thoothukudi, and Ennur are the important thermal power stations in Tamil Nadu. Nuclear power. The energy released during nuclear fission or fusion is used to generate electricity. Nuclear energy is generated mainly from minerals of uranium and thorium. The first nuclear power station was set up at Tarapur near Mumbai in the year 1969. The Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is an Indian public sector undertaking based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is wholly owned by the Government of India and is responsible for the generation of nuclear power for electricity. Renewable energy resources, hydropower. Power generated from water is termed as hydroelectricity. Hydropower is the energy harnessed from running water. Hydropower is considered as one of the most economic and non-polluting sources of energy. It contributes nearly 7% of global electricity production. The first hydroelectric power station in India was established at Darjeeling in the year 1897. National Hydroelectric Power Corporation is located in Faridabad in India. Solar energy. Solar power is the conversion of sunlight into electricity, either directly using PV or indirectly using concentrated solar power CSP. Concentrated solar power system use lenses or mirrors and tracking system to focus a large area of sunlight into a small beam. Photovoltaics, that is PV, convert light into an electric current using the photovoltaic effect. Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited is a Government of India enterprise. Its headquarters is located at New Delhi. Solar power is used in water heaters, refrigerators, drying, street lighting, cooking, pumping, etc. Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh are the major solar power producers. Wind energy. It is extracted from airflow using wind turbines. It is a cheap and pollution-free source of energy. Power from windmills are used for pumping water and to sail propel ships. Wind power is plentiful, renewable, widely distributed, clean, and produces no greenhouse gas emissions during operation. These plants occupy only a less space. The development of wind power in India began 1986 with first wind farms were set up in coastal areas of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. India has the fourth largest installed wind power capacity in the world. The National Institute of Wind Energy, Chennai, was established in Tamil Nadu 1998 as an autonomous institution under the administrative control of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Biomass energy. Bioenergy may be obtained through biodegradable materials like animal dung, kitchen waste, city waste, etc. It is clean and cheap resource of energy. Energy derived from biomass is mostly used for domestic purposes. tidal and wave energy. There are two main sources of ocean energy. They are ocean tides and ocean waves. The Gulf of Cambay is the best suited area for tidal energy. This is followed by Gulf of Kutch and Sundarbans. And wave energy power plant of 150 kilowatt has been installed at Vilinjam near Thiruvananthapuram, and another plant of this kind has been set up near Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Friends, this is the question corner. Which non-renewable energy source is called black gold? Please post